Today we are going to look at electrolysis of brine. Brine is salt solution, in which case we are using sodium chloride and water. So if you look at this, you will notice that the water is the supernatant while the solid salt is settled. This is because I wanted to achieve a very high concentration of sodium chloride. If not, this thing would not work. On this other side, this is connected to the positive terminal, meaning that this side is our anode. Then this, which is connected to the negative terminal, is the cathode. Therefore, the salt solution, sodium chloride, will ionize into to form what? Sodium ion and chloride ion. Then that of water will split to form hydrogen ion and hydroxyl ion. Then to the anode, which is the positive terminal, the chloride ion and the hydroxyl ion is migrating towards this side. You can see active movement of these two ions, which is the hydroxyl ion converting to oxygen gas, and then the chloride ion, which is then going to convert to what? Chlorine gas. By concentration, chloride ion is going to be preferentially discharged to this anode. Then on this cathode, the hydrogen ion from water is going to be preferentially discharged, considering the position of ions in the electrochemical cells. So at the end of this practical, when we open this tap, we are going to collect the chlorine gas, which we can confirm by testing with a moist or damped litmus paper. The blue litmus paper will turn red and immediately bleach, showing that two things were formed, the hydrochloric acid and the hypochloric acid. The hydrochloric acid turned it red, while the hypochloric acid bleached the litmus paper. Then on this other side, we can test for hydrogen gas, which we have done in previous video. On this side, you can notice a very significant chemical change, which means that the chlorine gas is actually attacking the metal that coated this carbon. Naturally, we are supposed to use graphite, but this particular graphite came from the company as a coated graphite, having copper metal coating it. That is why the chlorine gas is attacking it, showing colors, and then you can see different shades of colors here because of the attack by the chlorine gas. Thank you for watching this wonderful video. Do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Namira Virtuals.